So lately I've been a little concerned about weather radar and weather reports and forecasts not really showing the severity of the weather coming. This particular storm right here, the forecast from local meteorologists were intermittent thunderstorms, and I checked radar and it showed a couple circles of red kind of coming through, but broken up and isolated thunderstorms. Maybe I thought like, well, we might have some rain throughout the day. I checked the echo tops. They weren't that big, and they aren't right now. 300s, 200s. But meanwhile, we're having flash flooding and we're having hail, and no warning from really radar or even local meteorologists. So you can see, I can't even get out of here without having boots on. Skies continue to just seem medieval. Right now, it's like I'm driving into the clouds. Clouds are so low, but this isn't the mountains. This is the Midwest. We're not used to seeing clouds almost touching the ground here. Also,